How to fix unsupported processor BSOD in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If your crashes were not caused by the recent Windows update, it might be because you are lacking some important updates. Microsoft patches bugs and other issues regularly, so make sure you have the newest updates installed. Otherwise, proceed with the next solution. If your system was already up to date, it is likely that unsupported processor BSOD was caused by a Windows update that was installed automatically. Uninstalling these could resolve the issue. Note that the KB number might differ, depending on when you are reading this article. Click Pause the updates for 7 days. In Windows 11, you can pick a different time period. Restart the computer. If that didn't work, old or mismatched drivers can cause compatibility issues, leading to BSODs. There are several ways you could do this. One example would be using Windows Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters category, right-click on your GPU, and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Repeat the process for all devices. Once done, reboot your computer. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Faulty hard drive sectors or errors can compromise system integrity. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.